Okay, today we'll be talking about multiples. So what is a multiple of a number? Let's say we want to find out the multiples of 2. Okay, so what are the multiples of 2? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. So all these are called multiples of 2. Another example of this will be, okay, so for this one it can go on and on and on. So now we can find out the multiples of, let's say, 5. Okay, it will be the same. So 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. So it can go on and on as well. So all these are the multiples of 5, and these are multiples of 2. So okay, that's about it for multiples.